Congratulations on the purchase of your new Nobles Speed Scrub floor scrubber. With proper use and care, your machine's highly efficient cleaning systems will perform well for many years to come. This operator training video will help you better understand how to prepare your machine for use, scrub your floors, and care for your machine so you get the longest life and best performance from your floor scrubber. It is the operator's responsibility to operate the machine safely. There are safety labels on your machine to indicate important information you need to be aware of when operating the machine. Your machine is designed to effectively clean dirty floors in a single pass. Pressing and holding the top of the brush pressure switch will lower the scrub head to the working position. Lowering the squeegee lever will lower the squeegee to the working position. Doing this allows you to quickly begin scrubbing with your machine. As the machine travels forward, the desired amount of water and detergent is regulated and distributed to the floor. The brushes or pads use the detergent and water solution to scrub the floor clean. When traveling forward, the squeegee wipes the dirty solution from the floor, while the scrub vacuum fan draws the dirty solution collected by the squeegee off of the floor and into the recovery tank. Controls and instrumentation. To adjust the control console height, pull the adjustment lever and lift or lower the console to a comfortable operating height. When the lever is released, the console will lock into position. The key switch is used to turn the machine's power on or off. The squeegee assembly is lowered to the working position by lowering the squeegee control lever on the rear of the machine. The vacuum fan will automatically turn on when the lever is lowered. To raise the squeegee and turn off the vacuum fan, raise the lever to the up and locked position. The brushes are lowered to the working position by pressing and holding the top of the brush pressure switch, and raised by pressing and holding the bottom of the switch. Forward propelling is activated by pulling either trigger next to the handles. To control the propelling speed, adjust the speed control knob on the right side of the console. To reverse the machine's direction, pull the reverse trigger on the left side of the console. Always raise the squeegee when propelling the machine in reverse. While scrubbing with the machine, observe the brush pressure meter reading and adjust the pressure with the brush pressure switch as needed to keep the meter pointer in the green zone. The solution flow rate can be adjusted by turning the solution flow control knob on the lower left rear of the machine. Turn the knob clockwise to decrease flow and counterclockwise to increase flow. The battery meter displays the charge level of the batteries. When the batteries are fully charged, all indicator lights will glow. As the batteries discharge, the indicator lights will begin to go out from right to left. When the discharge level reaches the first red light, stop scrubbing, drive the machine to the charging area, and recharge the batteries. To protect the batteries from total discharge, the scrubbing function will automatically shut off when the last red light begins to blink. However, you will still be able to drive the machine to the charging area. The hour meter records the number of total hours the brush motors have been powered on. You can use the hour meter reading to determine when to perform recommended maintenance procedures. Your machine is equipped with resettable circuit breakers to protect the machine from electrical overload. If a breaker should trip, allow the motor to cool, then manually reset the circuit breaker by pushing in on the button. If the circuit breaker trips again or cannot be reset, follow your company's service procedure guidelines to have the system inspected and repaired. For best cleaning results, use the appropriate brushes or pads for your cleaning application. Brush and pad application guidance is located in the operator's manual, and part numbers are located in the parts manual. For safety, before installing brushes or pad drivers, stop the machine on a level surface, turn the key switch off, and set the parking brake if it is equipped with one. To remove or install disc brushes or pads, first raise the scrub head off the floor and turn the key switch off. To remove the pad driver or brush from the machine, push the plunger downward and release it. When using pads, attach the pad to the pad driver and secure the pad with a center lock before installing the pad driver on the machine. To install the pad driver or brush on your machine, align it with the motor hub and push it upward until it is engaged. For best scrubbing solution recovery, the squeegee blades need to be in good condition. When the blades become worn, simply rotate them end for end or top to bottom to use a new wiping edge. You must replace squeegee blades when all the edges are worn. To replace or rotate the squeegee blades, first remove the squeegee assembly from the machine by removing the vacuum hose and loosening the retainer knobs. Next, loosen the band clamp and remove the band from the squeegee assembly. To change or rotate the front blade with the band removed, loosen all 4 knobs and replace or rotate the front blade to a new wiping edge. With the blade installed, secure the knobs. You can also replace or rotate the rear blade and then install and secure the band. Finally, install the squeegee frame on the machine, secure all 4 knobs, and connect the vacuum hose. Before operating your machine, check the battery meter and charge the batteries if needed. Check the squeegee blades for wear and proper adjustment. Check the scrub head skirt for wear. Check the brushes or pads for wear. Confirm the recovery tank vacuum shutoff float screen is clean and installed. Fill the solution tank with clean water and the recommended amount of cleaning detergent. Note: machine damage due to improper detergent will void the manufacturer's warranty. Warning: fire or explosion hazard. Never use or pick up flammable liquids or reactive metals. Preparing to scrub with your machine. Pick up any large debris, plastic wrap, or string that may become wrapped around the brushes, and sweep the area before scrubbing to help prevent streaking or damage to your machine. Release the parking brake if it is equipped with one. Turn the key to the on position. Lower the squeegee assembly to the floor by lowering the squeegee lift lever. Lower the scrub head to the floor by pressing and holding the brush pressure button. Pull either trigger and begin scrubbing. Check the brush pressure meter reading and adjust the pressure with the switch as needed. Note: do not operate the machine with the meter in the red zone. Floor damage or brush motor overload may result. You should always keep the machine moving to prevent damage to the floor finish. You can adjust the speed control knob to the desired scrubbing speed. If you are using conventional scrubbing methods, you can adjust the solution flow control knob to the desired flow rate. Note: overlapping each scrub path by 2 inches or 5 centimeters will provide better cleaning results. Attention: do not operate the machine on inclines that exceed 5% or 3 degrees. Caution: if excessive foam appears in the recovery tank due to too much or the wrong kind of detergent, vacuum motor damage can result. To prevent vacuum motor damage, pour a foam control solution into the recovery tank. To reverse the machine, simply raise the squeegee and pull the reverse trigger. To stop scrubbing, release the triggers, raise the scrub head and squeegee, and turn the key to the off position. ECH2O is a technology that electrically converts plain tap water into a powerful cleaner without chemicals. If your machine is equipped with the ECH2O technology, you will see the ECH2O logo on the side of the machine. To use the ECH2O technology, first fill the water tank with clean water. Then press the ECH2O switch to enable the technology. If you are using the ECH2O technology, the flow rate is automatically controlled by the system. Next, lower the squeegee and pull either trigger to begin scrubbing. While scrubbing, observe the ECH2O light on the control panel. If you see a solid green light, the ECH2O technology is functioning properly. If the ECH2O light is flashing red or a solid red, refer to the operator's manual for more information and follow your company's service procedure guidelines. Draining and cleaning your machine. After each use, the tank should be drained and cleaned. Transport the machine to the disposal area and turn the key switch off. To drain and clean the recovery tank, while holding the drain hose upward, remove the cap and lower the hose to the drain. Next, remove the recovery tank cover. Rinse out the tank and clean the vacuum shutoff float screen located inside the tank. To prolong the life of the batteries, recharge them if the machine was used for a total of 30 minutes or more. Do not leave batteries discharged for lengthy periods. To charge the batteries, first transport the machine to a well-ventilated area. Park the machine on a flat, dry surface. Turn the key off and set the parking brake if it is equipped with one. Some batteries are sealed and do not require any maintenance. On this type of battery, the cap should not be removed. If you are charging wet batteries, lead-acid batteries, the fluid level should be checked before charging the batteries. The fluid should be at the level shown. If the battery fluid level is too low, damage to the battery will result. If the battery fluid level is too high, the fluid may overflow while charging. Warning: fire or explosion hazard. Batteries emit hydrogen gas. Keep sparks and open flame away. Before charging, prop up the recovery tank for ventilation. Connect the charger's DC cord to the machine's battery receptacle. If your machine is equipped with either the onboard or off-board charger, the next step is to plug the charger's AC power cord into a properly grounded receptacle. The supplied charger will automatically begin charging and shut off when the batteries are fully charged. Attention! Do not disconnect the charger's DC cord from the machine's receptacle when the charger is operating because arcing may result. If the charger must be interrupted during charging, disconnect the AC power cord first. Performing the daily operational checks, making needed adjustments, and following the proper operating procedures for your Nobles floor scrubber will ensure that it will perform in top condition throughout its useful lifetime. You will find it cleans better, has fewer maintenance issues, and effectively enhances the environment.